Hello everyone. For today I can recommend for dinner chips and schnitzel. It's amazing with ketchup and cucumber salad with tomato and paprika. Also you can have 1 glass with water. You can see and you can enjoy. Also I made a nice cheesecake as well. And here in Cyprus are 37 degrees now, is 9 o'clock, and you can see AC. I put to 22 and it's not enough. Also, I can recommend some nuts, which is from Turkey. You can see here nuts. And everything is done very fast. In 1 hour I can make chips and schnitzel and salad, and another 1 hour this nice cheesecake. I recommend everything because are very healthy, and if you haven't got one phone, I can recommend you this nice note phone. Okay, see you soon, and don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to become my member, because here we got a real community which is amazing. See you soon on my live, and don't forget to subscribe to my beautiful YouTube channel, and also on Instagram I got a nice account. Here I can set, I can do one like a view for you. You can see here how nice is from my balcony outside. It's amazing. Here in Cyprus we got down Kaleo restaurant, we got up this nice bar, and there Cafe Paris with a lot of lights. You can see, you can enjoy here in Caesar Resort. You can have apartments with 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, and lots of enjoy. You have around 10 swimming pools and parking for car. You can rent a car as well, and you can enjoy. You can see here swimming pool, how nice it is, and don't forget, if you come here you can buy from everywhere, everything half than price than UK or another European country. Here your holiday with your family will be amazing, because just here you can have from coffee, everything, Turkish coffee and frappe, everything. It's around just €1.50, and Turkish coffee, which I recommend to everyone. I will show you how is Turkish coffee right now. This is our Kurakavesi Mehmet Efendi Turkish coffee, which is natural coffee, and this is our water, Semersu. Natural Gemersu is natural water. Also, you can drink this coffee, is this color. How is how you spell this? How you read?
Mehmet Efendi.
This.
Türk kahvesi.
Hmm?
Türk kahvesi.
Turk Kahvesi Mehmet Efendi is Turkish coffee. You can see here, and also in Turkish you can read in another. You can see I read in English and my husband read in Turkish. Also my glass with water is here, because I need to drink. It's very hot here, 37 degrees. And here you can see this company. We got, you can see, for oven, this paper film, and the other one, those ones are £3 here, no?
Yes.
3 for £3, and in
£1.
UK is one with £4. Everything is expensive in UK, by the way, and people which are coming from abroad here are coming because they want to establish here in Cyprus, because life is beautiful. You don't need to have worries. If you are retired, you can come here because your pension is enough. Even you have, for example, and your husband together 1,500, it's enough to have your own space and food as well. Also, I can recommend you Wilcare. Wilcare is a big company, biscuits company. I saw this in Turkey and Romania as well. In a metro market in
Hello.
Romania and in Turkey the same.
Hello.
And I cook this nice sebezliceni. Is like delicate. Here is classic. And I can recommend you this for holiday. You can see this Carrefour. Okay, they got Carrefour here. In Carrefour you can find this cucumber in vinegar. Then I can show you this nice gum, which is amazing here. Is melon gum. And also I can recommend you this nice Cyprus. Cure. This is natural tea. We use in the morning cocoa crunch with yogurt or milk. And you have in Cyprus this nice Nestle. You can see cornflakes, Nestle as well, and this nice Mongopali or almond here. Also, I can show you this nice box, which is Delight, Cyprus Turkish Delight, and you can enjoy with every sweet. Here are my favorite karasa. We call forest almond, that one. And here I can show you this nice Yulker. So crappens here. Okay. A lot of things are here which are for eat. Also, I can recommend you this cacao halva, which is bafra. And I got one nice tahin halva, koska. You can drink this sugar cane drink if you can drink natural sugar. Is here. Also, we prepare this aubergine, kozelmish, patlik san, pamek. And this you need to choose is the best suit cup milk. Also coconut juice. I have here one nice cheesecake, and also if you want to go to the seaside, you can buy this classic nice chips lace, which is everywhere and around the world in Europe. And this is natural water FSU, which you can buy from here, from Cyprus.
You can call in English home water.
How?
Home water.
Home water is in English. And here, iced coffee vanilla as well. It's amazing. You can buy this tukas vishne is amazing marmalade, and marmalade with raspberry as well. And here you can see this nice Bogurtlen Reseli tukas. The company is Blackberry. And here I can show you this nice coconut jugo de coco, which is from Thailand. It's coconut milk. It's amazing, it's natural. Also we drink here kiwi and apple. This one is apple, you can see. And we have pineapple as well. This company, Kinik, is amazing in Cyprus. And you can use this, you can see here melon, yellow. This melon, which is red. And also you can have... Here is pina colada, which is very nice. And here you can see Blue Lagoon, which is amazing. You can enjoy with everything you want here. This is good company for butter as well. You can see Nutella here. And you can see nice cocoa cream. And I will show you one nice milk, which is condensada azucarada milk. This one is amazing and healthy for your kids or for your family. I got here 1 cage, Alaska. Okay, the company which was made it, you can read here. It's amazing. Natural milk condensada. And this is the company for mustard. What can I show you now, which is made with mustard seeds. It's natural. And here you can choose this stat mayonnaise. Here I got another mayonnaise, which is for aubergine. I made one salad. That one it's nice, is light with lemon. And also you can choose this company for chocolate. Chocolate is here Albany and here Dido. You can use DDT as well, and you can have like us. You can buy grapes, you can buy melon. We have melon here, and a lot of things. Yogurt. This yogurt is nice, and I hope you will enjoy with everything like us we have here. And the best company for ice cream, it's Mardo. You will see right now, Mardo. I'll show you. Oh, I have here are some ice here. Mardo melon ice cream. Don Durma is writing. And here I have another company. I tried 3 different company. Boom Boom Cat Cat. And here I have another one, Keif Algida. You can see Algida is everywhere in the world. This company Algida. This is the name for water. And here you can see the company for mozzarella leggita. You can use vegetables from this company, greens, which is here, and also Casarli cordon bleu. We have here cordon bleu. Cordon bleu is amazing Casarli, and you can enjoy with us every time. And also you can see now this milk I need to put here. I will take off this nice, you can see this cheesecake, and you can enjoy beside me. Like I said, this milk is natural milk, you can see, and was boiled, long life cow's milk. Okay, and also you can see this nice milk, how I make it. I put here cheese and I made from flour one nice dot, and here I made amazing cake with milk. My grandmother teach me, and you can put 6 eggs and half then cage cheese. Then after this dot, and you made another on top, you need to put another one, and also I can't put. Come. Here I forget to show you. I put down Yudum, this oil, which is natural oil. And here in Cyprus, I forget to tell you, they got natural olive oil, which you can cook or you can bring in your country if you come in the holiday. It's very easy because here the price is half than everywhere, this nice olive oil. Also, I can recommend this nice honey, natural honey. You can see here the company by Parmac, and they have here, you can see, this is like a sample you can try to have. Parmac Docal Yaila, it's amazing. And don't forget to make your natural tea, which I show you, Cyprus, and to use this cinnamon in every coffee or tea. It's amazing taste and your body will be refreshed. Also, I wait you in my next video, and you can write here one comment. Then after, it's easy for me to make the other video and to refresh all your thoughts and to see what happened here in Cyprus. See you soon, and I wish you good night. Bye.